Okay, hello. I hope you're all doing okay today. What I want you to do, I know a lot of you are struggling with being able to get a couple of my attachments to download, and when it does, it kind of looks funky. So we're going to take a look at that. So I'm on my website right now, and I'm on Algebra 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll, and we are going to go to day 3. Now, we're going to choose the homework assignment. So I've done quite a few of the videos on the classwork assignment. So we're going to choose the homework assignment, and I'm just going to open that up and see how that looks. Okay, so now when I open it, I have to click enable editing on that. And now it's coming in. Now mine looks pretty clear. I don't know why some of you are having the issues that you're having with these, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have access to a printer starting for next week, and I can actually print them off and scan them in and then send them to you. So maybe that way it will come in a little clearer for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at number 1. Number 1 says find all the zeros of the function. So I'm going to do this one with you. We're going to use Desmos since a lot of you do not have your graphing calculator. So here we are on 3B polynomial roots. Number 1 on the homework assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down, which is simply just f of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 3x minus 3. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here to my Chrome. You see I've got probably way too many things pulled up here, but I'm going to open up a new page, and we're going to type in Desmos and just hit it. Usually it'll take it to me. I've gone through this with you a couple times, but anyway, I'm just going to hit start graphing. And then mine is already logged in. So like I said, you can set up an account, and you don't have to, but you can. Now you can use the keyboard, or you can use their little keyboard. I like using mine. I just type in like X. And then, of course, now for the exponent, you do have to come over here to the a squared. Choose that. And then we're going to backspace. So just use your little backspace button, backspace. Sorry, the window today. And we're going to change that to a 3, and then right arrow out of the exponent. Okay, and then it's plus. So shift plus, and then x, and then we're going to come over here and square it. Okay, and then minus 3x, so it's easy from here, minus 3x, and then minus 3. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so easy enough here. All right, so we've got it typed in. Now there is your graph. So it's pretty simple from here. All you have to do is take your little cursor and hover over where the graph is crossing the x-axis, and I can see y is actually 0 there. So all I have to do here is say x is equal to negative 1.7, x is equal to, oopsie, negative 1 and 0, negative 1, and x is equal to 1.7, positive 1.7. Now it's x cubed, which means it is a negative, it's not negative, it is a positive odd graph, which means left tail down, right tail up. So when we have to sketch these, I'm not sure if this question said to sketch it. I'm just going to draw a graph. I see here I'm going from negative 1 to positive 1, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. So negative 1.7 is almost at negative 2. Negative 1 is right here. And then positive 1.7 is almost to positive 2. So left tail coming from down. Whoops, I totally missed that. And then right tail up. And then there we go. There's how you would sketch that graph. So that answers number 1. So as you can see, this is not hard at all. Let's go ahead and go back to that worksheet. Sorry. Kind of forgot where it's at. Maybe too many things pulled up here. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's go ahead and look on down and see what else we've got going on here. It all looks like that's all it is, all you have to do for this sheet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write out the rest of these, and I want you to try them because I think you can do this if you're using your Desmos. If not, just let me know and I'll work through another one.